Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're getting a rev of our engines because we're diving deep into the world's most anticipated supercar, the 2024 Ferrari Purosangue. Ferrari has always been synonymous with speed, luxury, and head-turning design, but the Purosangue marks a historic first for the brand, a four-door, four-seater SUV. So, buckle up as we explore the features, performance, and everything that makes this prancing horse a true game-changer. The Purosangue is undeniably Ferrari. The sleek, aerodynamic lines scream performance, while the aggressive front fascia lets everyone know you mean business. But unlike its sportier siblings, the Purosangue has a higher ride height and a more spacious design, hinting at its practicality. Ferrari hasn't skimped on the details, though. Subtle curves, sculpted air vents, and the iconic prancing horse logo all come together to create a design that's both sophisticated and powerful. Interior, move inside, and the Purosangue's luxurious cabin awaits. Ferrari offers a variety of premium materials and finishes, allowing you to customize your driving experience to your taste. The emphasis here is on comfort, with ample legroom and headroom for all passengers. The driver's cockpit is a masterpiece of functionality and style. Ferrari's signature widescreen digital instrument cluster keeps you informed, while the ergonomically designed steering wheel puts all the power at your fingertips. The rear seats are no afterthought either. Passengers get individual seats with plenty of space to stretch out and enjoy the ride. Let's talk about what truly sets Ferrari apart: performance. The Purosangue is rumored to be packing a powerful V12 engine, capable of unleashing a ferocious amount of horsepower. While exact specifications haven't been revealed yet, expect a thrilling driving experience that pushes the boundaries of performance, all while maintaining Ferrari's legendary handling and control. The Ferrari Purosangue is a bold move for the brand, but one that could redefine the supercar landscape. It offers the unmatched performance and prestige of a Ferrari, but with the added practicality of a four-door SUV. Whether you're a seasoned Ferrari enthusiast or someone looking for a luxurious and powerful way to experience the road, the Purosangue is definitely a car to keep your eye on. Thanks for joining us for a look at the 2024 Ferrari Purosangue. Let us know what you think about this groundbreaking car in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting content on all things automotive. Until next time, stay happy, and stay drive.